How to deactivate your Instagram. In this video, we'll show you some tricks on how you can deactivate your account easily. Firstly, tap on Instagram. Now, tap on three lines that is on your top right corner of your screen. As you tap into it, you can see there are options, in which you have to tap on the first option called Settings. Here you can see there are options right under the account center. Tap on Personal Details. Again, tap on Personal Details, which is right under the account settings. As you tap into it, you can see three options, in which you have to tap on the last option. As you can see, there is an option called Deactivation. Kindly tap on it, and your Instagram will automatically deactivate. If you found my video helpful, make sure to give big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.